What is going on, YouTube? This is Random Topics with Humor here today, and today we are going to be reviewing the specialty chicken from Domino's. Yes, or no, not the not the specialty chicken. Excuse me. We are going to be reviewing the chicken Parmesan sandwich, I think. Anyways, if I can get this open, there we go. Okay, so it looks great. It does not look bad at all. It looks pretty amazing, guys. And, yeah, let's try it out. Let's get a better view of this first. Yes, it is not bad, guys. Okay, let's get to it. This is my first time having this. I have had the Philly cheesesteak before. It was pretty good. Anyways, guys. Cheers. Wow. It is great. It is right on. The chicken is a bit iffy and the bread is a bit iffy, but the sauce is good. Overall, the sandwich is not bad. Cheese is good. The cheese is good. It's overall, it's not bad. Could be improved. It's a bit cheap, but like I said, it's a sub. It's a sandwich. It's great for lunch. Price is okay. I would for sure get the Philly cheesesteak instead, though, and for this, I would rate this a. Let's go with a 7.6 out of 10. Random Topics with Humor. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will, as always, see you guys next video. Yes, till next time.